another great episode. We are right in Ntungamo district, and city center, the municipality is just across here, and this is one of our agent farms that we are at, and I thought I needed to speak something about how we can create goat farms, of course, using the available resources at our disposal. We have had challenges along the coast, especially if you have to start with crossbreeds, and this has most times made our farmers to get scared, especially if they have to start this project. So with this farm here, as you can see, we are able to outsource locals, and we get a buck that is improved, the hybrid buck. And you can see the F1 offsprings, how they are doing. This is just the first generation cross of this buck. And ultimately, you can be able to grow a farm from this. It lowers the cost of production, but also allows you to maximize on the multiplier effect issue, because you realize you have quite enough does that are local that this male can be able to mount, and we get a good number of these crosses. So here we are looking at creating the crosses at our farm versus having to buy the crosses. That increases the cost of production initially. Of course, going forward, when you deal with crosses for multiplying, you will achieve the pedigree or hybrid vigor very fast. But if you do not have enough resources, it is good to start with the local breed and then get a very good hybrid buck, and you can be able to get such offsprings and crosses. And you can also see that the crop size or the number of kids really surpass the does that are existing at the farm, which is good for every farm to have. When you have mothers that are more than the kids, then you have a big challenge, especially via kids management. I thank you for listening, and I encourage you to start this venture of goat farming, regardless of what resources you have at hand, because this is the only way we can boost the economy and increase numbers. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening.